We understand the stress and frustration felt when your heating and air system breaks down. You are living, working, schooling, and running your business. You don't have time to worry about the HVAC system not working properly. Unfortunately, malfunctions will happen, and when they do, choosing the right heating and air company shouldn't be difficult. We get it, there are so many companies you can choose from. Let us help you decide. EF Martin Heating and Air is a trusted residential and commercial HVAC company here in the Midlands of South Carolina, ready to serve you. With a proven track record behind us, we hold ourselves to a higher standard. We value the relationships we develop with our customers. Keeping you comfortable is our #1 priority. Everyone at EF Martin Heating and Air have your best interest in mind. We are going to get the job done right, no matter what it takes. You will never pay for services you don't need or be blindsided by an unexpected charge after the work is done. And most important, you can rest assured knowing your technician is here for you. Our reviews speak for themselves.
EF Martin has serviced our HVAC system for 20 years and provided consistently good service. Most recently, we had our semi-annual maintenance. He was professional, efficient, courteous, and thorough. His written report was meticulous, highly recommended.
As a woman, this was a really reassuring experience. The tech let me know what he was doing every step of the way. I will admit, I'm completely ignorant when it comes to ACs, and having things explained helped. Swift, professional, and honest. So thankful I went with them.
What can I say? Our technicians are awesome. You shouldn't have to wonder about the person inside your home or business working on something you know little about. With EF Martin, you won't have to wonder. We are ready to listen to your needs, evaluate and diagnose the problem, determine the cost, and most importantly, restore your quality indoor comfort. To learn more about EF Martin and all that we have to offer, check out our website. Keep doing what you do. Let us help. Call now to get started.